Aton Jener Dorcas Oduor ochuoga aput mabiro rango ywaruok mag lope kod weche alwora masiko kalimbo kako okang' matemo duoko chien kwan mar buche mathoth mosechwal e doho. Kanowuoyo e apisi mare, Oduor oyango ni gie sani buche maromo 10,000 momakore kod lope nie doho ka magi mulo piny owacho ka 1,000 kuomgi otenore kod kuo mag lowo. Oduor owacho ni gichuogo komiti mabiro neno ani nono buche manie doho matemo duoko kwanno ero chien, rango yore mopogore opogore mag gayo ywaruok e kind oganda.
Land and environment-related litigation has become a significant bottleneck to progress in multiple sectors. These cases have far-reaching implications. They stall infrastructure projects, deter foreign and local investment, contribute to judicial congestion, disrupt livelihoods, and erode tenure security. We are currently tracking at least 10,581 pending land and environmental-related cases involving the government. The committee will therefore be expected to work within the following key mandates: review and categorize pending land and environmental disputes involving government agencies, prioritize cases which have significant legal, financial, and developmental implications, recommend practical litigation strategies, risk mitigation measures, and policy reforms.
We've been receiving a lot of complaints, particularly the delay in land case matters. We've been dealing with them, some about complaints in the judiciary, but this is also an opportunity to be able to review various pending cases and see how they can be resolved more expeditiously. It not only aids our members, but also members of the public.